Hi guys, this is the recording of the muscle dissection. We start off with the masseter muscle. It's the muscle of the cheek. It's right here in the cheek area. Then we move down to the acromiotrapezius muscle. It's the muscle of the shoulder that comes down. I am now separating between the latissimus dorsi, which is ventral, and the spinotrapezius muscle, which is dorsal. So this is the latissimus dorsi that the scissors are underneath now, latissimus dorsi. And this is the spinotrapezius muscle, closer to the spine, spinotrapezius muscle. And then back up to the acromiotrapezius muscle that comes down from the back of the head. Part of it is missing there. Here's the picture that we have of the colored muscles: the spinotrapezius muscle in blue, the latissimus dorsi in green, the acromiotrapezius in yellow, and the masseter in red. We have the acromiodeltoid muscle in orange, and the triceps brachii, the lateral head, in purple, and the long head in blue. Here we're going to go to the triceps brachii, the long head that runs on the back of the front leg, and then the lateral head that is on the side of the front leg of the rabbit. So the lateral head is on the side. Later means side. The long head is on the back of that front leg. Long head there. Long head of the triceps brachii. Lateral head there. So there's the colored picture. The long head towards the back. The purple section is the lateral head. Now here is the acromiodeltoid. Deltoid muscle is right above the long and the lateral head of the triceps brachii. Again, the scissors are underneath the acromiodeltoid muscle. Acromiodeltoid muscle. And it sits right dorsal to the long and lateral head of the triceps brachii. There's the latissimus dorsi again, and the spinotrapezius muscle there of the rabbit. Then we're going to the acromiotrapezius muscle again that comes off the back of the head. Part of it is missing. And then here is the masseter muscle of the cheek, the circular masseter muscle of the cheek. Here's a picture of the masseter muscle. Here's the deltoid muscle, the acromiodeltoid, and now on to the triceps brachii, the lateral head and long head. Again, another picture of the acromio triceps muscle. The latissimus dorsi that runs on the side to the back of the rabbit, latissimus dorsi. All right, hope this recording helped. Please feel free to ask us any questions. Thanks, guys.